So the DJI Mini camera, the Mini 2 camera has gotten an upgrade, and it's now coming with a 4K video shooting capability. So it is quite nice. Before you could only shoot 2K videos, but right now you can go as high as 4K. The DJI Mini 2 comes with the ability to continue giving you lightweight performance, so that you can actually take it out along and shoot your b-roll and get the best performance out of it. So now the byte rate of what you can shoot has been upgraded from 40 megabits per second all the way up to 100 megabits per second. Now the 4K for now is limited to 30 frames per second, cannot shoot in HDR. It's also coming with an OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology. It was initially introduced in the new Mavic Air 2 there's a few months back. This particular feature pretty much gives you very good control over your camera. Now the new update also gives you the ability to get longer range of transmission in what you are doing. So you can as well use it on a drone, and it's going to be very reliable in terms of transmitting the signal that you are using to capture content. This is for people that want to shoot something overhead and get better content overhead. So drones are always the best for that. Everything on it has been upgraded a bit, so you get better performance overall. Now currently, if you want to buy DJI Mini i2, it's going to be costing you around $600 with the battery. With the Black Friday, it is going to go down. It's already been rumored that it's going to go down to around $450. So take the advantage of the 11/11 and actually get it and use it for your outdoor content. So because at least right now it can shoot 4K videos, so you don't really need to do more, just shoot your videos and enjoy your content. Please do follow us here on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like our content, and I'm going to see you guys next time.